The name PharmaWorks inspires trust from the leaders in the pharmaceutical industry. The people and the products of PharmaWorks in Odessa, Florida have earned the confidence of the most demanding pharmaceutical customers, thanks to machines that blister pack medications and medical supplies in a wide variety of sizes, shapes, and blister counts, using plastics, foils, and films with many different physical properties to deliver consistent quality at high rates of speed. To achieve all this, PharmaWorks needs precise and reliable machine control. That's precisely what they get with servos and controls from Yaskawa. Innovation has always been a key to PharmaWorks' success.
Being a smaller company that's grown pretty quickly, we can run circles around some of the competition just because of our ability to create and implement quickly. Yaskawa products have really helped us in order to implement that objective.
PharmaWorks reconditions existing blister pack machinery and also builds a full range of new pharmaceutical packaging machines. The options range from compact, efficient models like the TF1 all the way up to the TF3, designed to deliver the industry's highest production capacities. Every new PharmaWorks product is innovative in the use of servo control. Traditional blister packing machines were driven by gearboxes, drive shafts, and pulleys, which made them inflexible. PharmaWorks began replacing some of these old parts with servo systems, which increased system flexibility.
And we started replacing mechanical gearboxes and drives and mechanisms with individual servo drives, which improved the performance of the machine quite drastically. We kind of invented that approach, taking old-timer machines or machines at the end of the lifespan and putting servos in to make them perform better, easier to change over, and all around more user-friendly.
Yaskawa was a contributor to PharmaWorks' search for continuous improvement. PharmaWorks had been using another manufacturer's servos and controls when they decided to look for better performance.
We felt that we should really go back through the control system and optimize it for reliability, cost, functionality, of course. So we did a comparison.
We basically invited different vendors, and it was a matter of cost, reliability, customer service, and we ended up with Yaskawa.
Switching to Yaskawa meant integrating Yaskawa's motion control devices with the programmable logic controllers that were already a part of the PharmaWorks control system. The result was a big improvement in performance without a major change in control architecture.
PharmaWorks has customers who have large investments in PLC software. So this new architecture they designed allowed them to keep the PLC, although reduce the size of it. Put in the Yaskawa controller to give them the best motion performance capability that they could get. They soon realized that there are a lot of other features of the Yaskawa product, like the auto-tuning capability, the high-resolution encoders, the controller being optimized for camming, because in their application they do a lot of changing of the cam tables on the fly, and Yaskawa made that very easy for them.
Switching to Yaskawa also made a noticeable difference in servo performance.
When we changed to Yaskawa products, we noticed two big improvements. One of them was in terms of motor size, the same footprint, more power, more capability, and also less failures once the machines were commissioned. In 5 years, we've commissioned hundreds of Yaskawa axes, and we haven't received a single failure yet.
We've never had to replace a Yaskawa motor or cable in the field, and that's something that just speaks for itself.
PharmaWorks is using the advantages of Yaskawa motion control to advance the state-of-the-art in their industry.
I feel like we're setting a standard that, yeah, we are on par with the Europeans, if not better. We're more innovative. We're actually implementing processes and things into our machines now that often do get copied by the competition. When people look at our equipment, they can't believe that it's built here in the United States. As an American company, I mean, we're really doing some global European engineering right here in the States.
If you're a packaging industry professional looking for all the benefits of overall equipment effectiveness, the performance, the uptime, and the packaging quality, here's a prescription from PharmaWorks. choose motion control by Yaskawa. Consistent, confident, and capable of more.